Hey y'all, it's Trista. So Teacher Appreciation Day is coming, and I know you're racking your brain trying to figure out what to give those teachers. It seems a little more personal than just a gift card. So today we're going to show you a quick craft that you can make for that science teacher that's going to be super cute and memorable that they're going to keep on their desk. So anyway, if you're new to my channel, I'm Trista of Tried and True by Trista, and it's my little old lady. And what we do here is we talk about DIYs and crafting, and we do some fun product reviews as well. So I hope that you will stick around and subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified whenever I put out a new video. So thanks for watching. Okay, it's almost Teacher Appreciation Week, so we are going to use these things to create a little sign for the science teacher. Okay, so first off, we have a pulley printer. This is a Bluetooth printer that works with your phone. I'll kind of give you a demonstration of the app. I'm not super good at it yet because it's kind of new, but I do love this little thermal printer. It does not use ink, so we'll play with that in a minute. These cute painted shaped science pack. It was only $2.69 from Hobby Lobby. So they've got some, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different little science related things in here. This is just some scrapbook paper, and this is a long display case from Daiso. So this is a Japanese yen store, which is like a Japanese dollar store. We have a few of them here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but I think you can also order online, and they're in a bunch of different states. Anyway, excited to use this, so I've been kind of saving this up. Okay, so these are the things that we're going to use. So let's get started by unwrapping this. And this is a display case, so it's a little, it's got layers to it. You know, like onions have layers. If you're a fan of Shrek, you understand how I can appreciate layers. Okay, so how does this open? That's a really good question. It appears to open from the bottom. Probably shouldn't have thrown it away. Okay, so it just flips open like that. Okay, so that'll make it easy. Alright, so it looks like there's a little something in here. Nine and 3/4. 4 1/4 by 9 3/4. So, yay. Okay, so now we have our background. Now I'm just going to work with this piece right here. So let's take these out and see what we got. Alright, these are actually really nice. These are wood. Like, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is wood. Okay, that's super fun. And I love the little beaker. This is adorable, genius. And this is really cute too. I wonder, I definitely want to use this. Think like a proton and stay positive. We could do it sideways, or we could do it up and down. I don't think it's going to fit up and down without, yeah, no, I guess we're going sideways. Let me get my pulley print. Alright, I'm going to go into photos. Select more photos. This one. Alright, there it is. Okay, so this is the one that we want to use. And let's see, do I need to do anything with this? Made it black and white, smart filter, image. Alright, let's see how this turns out. I'm going to turn my pulley print on. Just click his little eye until he lights up. I'm going to hit print. Connect my pulley. And there it is. We're connected. Okay, print. And like I said, this is a thermal printer, so it's not using any ink at all. All right. Super fun. Okay, I'm just gonna rip that off. We're gonna stick that there. Let me turn my printer off. There we go. Okay, I think that's cute. I think we need something to kind of hold these down in the corners. Maybe some fun washi with. All right, so this is the simplest thing ever. All right, so we're going to glue this down. Let me grab my glue gun. I'm going to use my Surebond cordless glue gun, and I am going to glue this down, even though it's gonna have some washi tape on it. So I'm just gonna put some glue on the back. You can't even see that, can you? Okay. All right, Einstein. Maybe we put it here and then put a quote over there. Let's see. What's a good science quote that we can use? Okay, so I found a quote here that I like. Oh. By Einstein. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go into my pulley. And let's see. We want to put that into horizontal. I'm going to paste it. Okay, so now change the font on here. Print this. Okay. All right, I'm going to trim it a little bit. I do have sticker paper for the pulley, but I just didn't change it before I started this. Okay. Okay, let's see how this looks so far. Cute. I feel like I want something else right here. These are too big. So let me think about that for a minute. Okay, so I forgot to do the recording. I'm so sorry, but I used these paper flowers from Daiso that I had gotten a couple of months ago in the, well, not about a month ago in the craft haul. So I just went ahead and cut one of these apart and added it to the corner to give it just an additional little detail. And this is my science teacher gift for teacher appreciation. And I think the other thing that I would probably do so that it doesn't kind of scoot around there, although it looks like it's holding really tight, but you see how it's not all the way against the back? I think I would put some double-sided tape on the back of this. So let's go ahead and finish that up. And I wanted to use this from Daiso. I had never used their double-sided tape. So we'll go ahead and try that here. as well. And let's see. And put this back in here. Push it down. All right, now we're stuck. Okay, I think it's adorable. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. So, perfect. Great little, and this probably cost, let's see, this was $1. These were $1, but obviously you can use a lot more of that. These things were $2.58, I think. But you have 5 in here, so you can make a couple different versions of this. And you can also get them, you know, Hobby Lobby always has their coupons. And then this little container here was $1.50, and the scrapbook paper behind it was, I think, what did we see what it was? 69 cents. And the scrapbook paper is from the Paper Studio, so I think I got that from Hobby Lobby as well. And the washi tape I just had. So there you go.
Y'all would make me so happy if you'd hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more crafting fun.